Hi guys, this is Anthony Luna, new home sales associate with Century Communities. Bear Creek is located off Tally Road in the northwest of San Antonio, very near popular Alamo Ranch. This has easy access and entertainment to SeaWorld, Fiesta, Texas, and very near major workforce such as Lackland Air Force Base for military service members. Here at Bear Creek, we have 6 different beautiful floor plans that you can pick from to match all of your family's needs, starting from 1521 square feet all the way to 2394. If you decide to pick a home that's inventory ready, everything is going to be pre-selected and making the process so much easier for you and your family. If you pick your lot, you'll be able to pick your color, different variation, and you'll be able to pick the section that's more desirable for you and your family. Here at Century Communities, we try to provide you a quality built product at an incredible value, making the process easy from the beginning to the end. Now, as a military veteran, I put service at the #1 of my priorities, so taking care of my clients, my realtors, is my #1 mission. So feel free to come see us here at Bear Creek, Century Communities, and come get yourself and your family a quality built product at an incredible value.